Hi, to create a popover, just add a popover attribute to the element that you want to make a popover. In this case, it's just a div with this amazing popover. And it will automatically create a popover. The only what is left is how we can trigger this popover. In this case, I will use button and add popover target. And here I need to pass the ID of the popover. And now when I press the button, it will automatically create a popover. What you need to remember, there are two types of popover, the auto and the manual. When it's auto, when you click outside of the popover, it will close itself. But if I change to manual, when I click outside, it will not close itself. So we need somehow to close it. In this case, I will just create a button. Button. And in button, we need to pass, first we need the target. And second, we need the action. So we need popover target action. In this case, it will be height. And let's name it close. So now when I press, when I click outside, it will not close itself, but when I click close, it will close itself. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.